Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Online. I finally got issue number 70 in of Coloring Heaven magazine. It got delayed by the Postal Service, so I was supposed to get it at the beginning of the month. I just got it today, so I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video real quick and show you guys what's inside. For those who don't know, Coloring Heaven is a UK-based coloring magazine, so you can get a subscription of it right on their website at coloringheaven.com. I had heard that you could find them at Michael's. I had never seen them there until last month, so you might be able to pick this up at Michael's if you look really hard. You'd probably have to get it as soon as they hit the shelves.
I'm in Michael's and somebody said that they saw Coloring Heaven in here, and I look every single time I come in here and I've never found it. But look, tucked behind the back is 2 issues of the latest burlesque Coloring Heaven magazine. Now I'm going to look every time I come in here.
Otherwise, you can sign up for a subscription on their website and they'll be sent to you via the Postal Service. Again, I usually get mine at the beginning of the month. However, it's the 19th and I just got mine today. I am really excited about this issue. This is 40 exclusive dart designs by Sarah Richter. I love her work. I have a ton of her images in my Etsy wish list. This is going to be great to have an opportunity to color some of the images out of her books. One of the reasons I love Coloring Heaven so much is that I'm able to be introduced to new artists that I wouldn't otherwise have heard of or had an opportunity to explore their work or get my hands on any of their images, because some of them are not based here in the US. Again, this is a UK-based magazine, and every month they feature a different artist and sometimes multiple artists in their books. Alright, so let's get this thing started. So in almost all the Coloring Heaven magazines, you get a color combination chart over here on the left-hand side of the cover, and a lot of people color this cover too. I have not colored any of the covers in mine. And I think what I'm going to do is do the rest silently so you can enjoy the illustrator's work. All right, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.